credit for it. I mean, in all fairness, we do have that on YouTube.
That's what I'm saying.
So yeah.
But
So
I'm
we
not
would
sure
have
that
proof
this
there.
predisposes from copyright.
It's got all rights reserved.
YouTube has it. We don't.
Technically, the Dirty Bronson has it.
That's
on
right.
YouTube.
Which would be me.
Right.
I'm the Dirty Bronson.
I have
The Dirty Bronson.
I am shit in a
The one, the only, the Dirty Bronson.
shit. You were supposed to keep your identity anonymous. Who is
Yeah,
this?
man, we talked about that.
Who is this? The Dirty Bronson. He's posting his videos.
Are you ready?
He looks ready.
Are you back in tune?
Are you playing like a hobo for a reason?
Eat him up, tigers. Eat him up.
Oh,
What are you doing,
too
Buckethead?
soon, too soon.
Alright, dude.
Okay.
Don't hurt yourself.
God damn it.
Alright, I'm ready. We're gonna do it again.
I'm much louder.
Well,
Obviously,
we'll
it's
do
better.
this one and see what happens.
You guys have started.
Did you not? Dave?
Just control your volume. I'm down. I'm off when I'm not playing. Everyone feeds back when they're this close to the amp. Just control yourself.
Sir, it's called self-control. It's really not that hard. God damn it, Josh. Contain yourself!
It's the volume. You're gonna feed back.
It's
Feed
called
that volume.
So he's gonna have to stand like over there where Tyler is?
Yeah, if he doesn't want to feedback. Or do what I do and turn it down when you're not playing.
I'm not playing.
Come have a seat next to me, Joshua.
We're talking about practice.
I've got
We'll turn it down, we're
room
not
over
playing.
here, big boy.
You gotta be like 5 minutes in. Nothing. Oh, God.
Oh,
Oh, my God. What a fucking idiot.
Well, it's all fucked. Let's go home, guys.
Alright, yeah. That's our set. We're Elixir.
Fuck, I quit. Wow. Get a new resident fucking.
Okay, we gotta finish the song by now. Let's go.
I can't like get loud without.
Right, feedback's gonna happen. Did you listen to what I said?
Hey,
You
dude.
just gotta control it. You just gotta hold it, and then when you're not playing, turn it on.
Listen to Kevin, he knows everything.
Just mute your strings when you're not.
Yeah. Turn the volume down. See?
Okay.
See how the volume's down. Volume. This on your yes, the manual. Yeah. That's
Turn just.
it. That's your probably your tone knob. You're gonna want to turn the volume knob down.
No, it's my only knob. My tone knob is this. Kevin, you don't know shit.
Let's go.
Alright. We're good. Yeah, we are. We're great.
Go.
There are more
did hear him look brooding.
You don't think
Kevin.
so? That doesn't sound done.
I was like, what the fuck is going on? And you're hilarious, Tyler. I love it. Your impression of me was spot on.
Let's do it. Let's just play that harmony.
What?
Let me just say that sitting there doing this.
Next unison though, right? You're just playing the same thing I'm playing? Yeah. You were playing something else.
I was playing it at step 2.
It was off. I was like, what the fuck? What's next? Oh crap.
Rain.
Oh
The
crap!
one that you didn't practice before.
I'll start it then.
Oh, that's right.
Really? You gonna do that again?
Thank
You're not gonna believe this one. My shot.
Whoa, whoa. If only. Did you save me? Did you save me? Was it raining in here?
Yeah, so you're coming on tour because we need you to be like a pantomime while we're playing.
I was
sharing
the beginning of
story.
that was interpreted.